For the first time, I have to say this, I regret having you as a mother.
Young lady, what has come over you?
You've come over me. And you just proved to me once again today that you value Chibi than me, your daughter.
Don't say that. You know it's not true, baby.
It's not true. It's not true because I remember when I needed my school fees so badly. I was facing embarrassment at school. Every day I was flogged, chased back home. And I begged you. I told you, let's ask for help from my uncle Emeka, but you said no, he's a devil. That you never ask a devil for money, that you'd rather die or go on the streets and beg. The moment your lover opened his mouth and said I needed money, I was expecting you to go on the street and beg. But you went to that same devil that you couldn't go to for me?
He needed money for his shop.
And I needed money for my education! I needed money for my school, my future! How insensitive can you be? I needed my school fees! He's an adult, he's a grown man who can go about and hustle for money. I am not! I depend on you for now! And when you went to him to ask him for money, you came back injured. Yeah. Let's assume he didn't do that to you, because till now I don't believe it. He never came here to look after you. He never came here to say sorry to you. Because he doesn't love you. He never shows up when you need him. He doesn't love you as much as you do. You're just lusting after a man who wants to eat from you, take everything you own, and not show up for you in your own time of need. That is not what a relationship is all about. You know, I used to give excuses for you that it's just your desire to be with someone. I just realized that you've been foolish.
Don't you dare talk to me in that manner. I'm sorry. See, baby, I'm sorry, please. Baby, it's not dismissal time yet. Is he out of school again? Oh my God. Not again. I've been searching for a job for almost 3 months now and nothing yet.
Let's call Uncle Emeka. This is the right time to call him.
Never. We are not calling that man.
What do you mean by we're not calling that man? Why are we not calling that man? I mean, what makes you so terrified of calling him or talking to him?
I said, we are not calling that man. Let's come with me. Let's go to Chibi.
God forbid. Me! I'm not going there. Oh. Don't worry about the school fees. If it's from Mr. Chibi again, I don't want to go to school again.
Look, listen to me, please. I know you said that you don't want to have anything to do with that man.
Thank God you remember.
Yes, I know. But at this point, my love, you need to have a rethink. It's your school fees we're talking about here. Yes. So you have to come with me to Chibi's house, because when he sees you, he will understand the urgency. Chibi is not really a bad person, you know. Yes. Baby, please, just do this for mommy. Please. Biko.
Ruth. So you're following your mom up and down to my place. I hope I'm safe.
I've been calling you. You're not taking your calls.
That's because I was busy. Yeah, I had some goods to clear at the shop.
See, she was sent out of school for the same school fees.
Wow. That's bad though.
Yes, so really bad. That's why I came to you for help. Just help me with some money, please.
Felice, you started though.
Baby, I need this money now. Biko. Baby, see, my daughter is here. I need this money now. Biko.
Nah, but the money is the problem now.
Babe, I know you have this money. Please, you can't tell me the money is the problem. You have it. That's why I came here. Babe, please, my daughter is here. Don't do me like this.
Felice, I'm not a rich man now. You already know. Yes, I have the money, but every money I have is designed for something else now. Even before it comes in, you know now.
Wait. So what you're trying to tell me is that my daughter's school is not important? Leave me. My daughter is here. You understand? Hey.
I didn't say that.
Chimo. Leave me. My daughter is looking. Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Lend me. Borrow me. I'll pay back.
Felice, you and I know you've not any penny for years now. How will you pay back?
My daughter is looking. Fine. The 500,000 I gave you 4 months ago, give me back. I want to use it now.
It's true. Give us.
You didn't tell me it was a loan.
Babe, you said you were going to give me back the following month, but you never did.
Yes, because we didn't agree it was credit.
Chibi, please give me this money. I need it now. See, my daughter is out of school. Don't do this to me. She's here. Please.
Okay, you don't have to cry, okay? See,
Hey.
right, see, right, let's go talk. Let's go upstairs. We'll talk about it.
Don't talk about it or you're giving me the money.
Let's go upstairs first now.
Hey. Keep you wait now. Okay, let's go. Just sit down. Let me get them.
Yeah, don't worry, I'm fine where I am.
Wait, let me give her cartoon. Yeah, take what's cartoon.
If he touches me,
Hey.
Yeah, watch cartoon for yourself. Enjoy when you're ready.
Baby, what's going on? What's wrong?
What's wrong? What do you mean? Can't you see? Isn't it obvious that I've missed you? Come on.
Baby, not now.
What was the last time you gave it to me like the way you used to? That made me go used to you, Mama.
Baby, not now. My daughter is downstairs.
But that's the beauty of it all. Yes. Do you know how long I've imagined having you and then she's just over listening?
What do you mean?
Babe, listen, it's so cool. I saw it in the movie. You enjoy it.
Are you trying to say I should make love to you here while my daughter is downstairs?
Babe, it's for the money.
Are you also saying I won't get the money if I don't make love to you?
Babe, come on now, stop being a child. We've been doing it all the time now. At least now it's going to be easier for you because you know you're doing it for your daughter. Wait, just wait. Just a quickie. And the money is yours. Come on now. Come on, it's just a quickie. Okay. It's there, you have it. I promise you. 100. Just. Come on. Come on. I want you to scream up. Come on.
Leave my house this minute! Leave my house! Chibie, leave my house!
Do you know what I say? Why are you screaming? You are mine. You're my property.
Leave my mother. Or else I'll stab you with this thing. Don't take me for a joke. Oh. Yes, I know it's a bottle. Am I blind? Father! God forbid you ever be my father. I can never have someone like you around me. I don't even know why my mother chose you.
Can you just shut up?
I will stab you if you shout at my mother one more time. Oh.
So this is what you've turned her into. She's now raising the bottle at me.
Oh.
On me.
You think I'm joking, eh?
Because
Because you're taller than me, eh? You think
Enjoy my love. So let me go and freshen up. By the time
Yeah.
you're done, I'll be ready to.
Hurry up.
I made this special for you. Enjoy.
Ifedije!
Oh, I didn't get drinking water for you.
I'm very sorry. You're very rude. What is this? What is this? What is this? Baby. What is this? So this is what I gave you money to cook.
What's wrong with the food now?
Are you stupid? Are you asking me? You called me more than 20 times asking me to give you money. So this is what you used 20,000 naira to prepare. For who? Where's the money I gave you? Where is my 20,000 naira?
I used it to make this soup.
You used to cook this for who? You called me more than 20 times saying you want to cook special food for me. This?
I'm sorry. Let me go make another soup for you.
Make what? Make what?
Yeah.
Make another soup for who? Me?
Sorry, please.
Veggie, where's my money?
Eh?
Where's my money?
I used it to make this soup.
Veggie, where's my 20,000 naira? Where's my 20,000 naira?
You're hitting me.
One more time!
what is going on here? Chibie!
Don't you?
What is wrong with you, Ifediche? What is it about this guy that makes you allow him to treat you this way? He now comes to your house to beat you.
Okay, he doesn't.
He doesn't. But I just caught him in the act.
Ifeoma, it's just a minor misunderstanding.
Minor misunderstanding. Ifediche, if I hadn't walked into this house the time I did, your face wouldn't remain like this.
Like I said, it's not that serious. I was one that upset him. Chibie is human and he has every right to be upset once in a while, you know.
Once in a while. That's not once in a while. Chibie is always upset. Things that make other men smile get him angry. That
guy is a monster. Why are you not saying it?
Stop. Ifeoma, just stop it, please. See, you know I don't like when you talk about him like that.
Oh,
Stop.
and you think I care about what you like and what you don't like? Uche, what is wrong with you?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Auntie.
Good afternoon. How was school today?
Yeah, school was fine, but what is anything that happened? What's wrong?
Ruth is the guy that calls himself mother's boy.
Stop it, Ifeoma.
He come here for? Why did he come here?
You said school was fine.
Yeah, I said school was fine, but why was Uncle Chibi here? What did he do?
I was walking in and...
Ifeoma, stop!
Why?
She doesn't have to know.
She is no longer 5. She is 15.
Someone tell me what is going on. What did he do?
I'm not serious.
Tiffy.
Look at your mother's face. Look at her tenderness. He hates her.
Not again, mommy, not again.
It's not what you think. It's not like that. I was the one that provoked him.
Here you go, trying to justify his useless actions. That man hits you for nothing. Even when you don't provoke him, he just wants to hit you. He derives pleasure in doing that.
Even the little girl knows about this.
No, what would it take to just tell him to leave you alone? For good. Please. That's what you keep on saying. I don't really know what is here to understand because it's crystal clear. Look, you better advise him. Tell him not to cross this door again because if he tries it, if he tries it and by mistake I'm at home that day, I will pour hot water and I'll pour it on him. Or I'll get a knife and cut his legs. Why would he be treating you like a punching bag?
My baby. Ruth! Ifeoma.
What?
You didn't have to tell her.
Why? Are you ashamed of the behavior of the man you go out with? Then leave him. Leave him, Habiaka.
You won't understand.
I don't want to understand. I never want to understand. You're so unbelievable.
Take your clothes. How do you take off your clothes and just take your clothes? Where did you keep your phone? Why is it not taking his call? Ruth, are you done eating?
Why are you doing this to yourself and I?
What am I doing?
You know what I'm talking about. Look, it's obvious that this man doesn't want you. He doesn't want us in his life.
Don't talk like that.
You never even want to hear the truth about Chibi. I mean, he's a saint to
Stop.
you.
I've told you never to call him by his name, Chibi. Didn't I?
I'm sorry, but that's not the point here. Have you forgotten so soon? Last month, he almost killed you. You ended up at the hospital for a week and guess what? He didn't even show up. Or he didn't send a message or even send money for the hospital bills at least. But immediately you got discharged, where did you run to? To his house.
Enough of Chibi. Enough! How was school?
My principal said that I shouldn't come to school on Monday if I don't have my school fees. So
Okay, It's okay. I'll go to Chibi and get the fees, okay?
You go to GBM. Just look at your condition now. Look at you. You will go to Chibia and beg for my school fees. Someone listening to you will know that you were once a successful businesswoman, but what did you do? You chose to give up all your money to a man that doesn't even love you.
I did it out of love, and I don't regret it.
Wow.
I said I will get your fees.
Okay. I'll be waiting. I really hope love gives me my school fees.
Don't do this now, please.
Chibi, I need to leave. You saw my uncle called me that he's on his way home. And you know how he acts when I'm out without his permission.
No, nah, you're a grown-up now. You're no longer a kid. You have the right to go wherever you choose to go.
I asked to open a business for me so I can get my own money and rent my own space. But you refused.
But I offered to give you a place now. Or even come here and stay with me. You refused.
Stay with you as well.
Eh?
Besides, what I need is a business and not an apartment. So I can get a source of income to be able to pay for the apartment.
Why would you want to pay for an apartment when I'm here?
Chibi, you are a man. And once you meet some other woman that excites you more than I do, then I'm gone.
Babe, now, never. Never. That can never happen.
Chibi, when I met you, you're with a lady that has a child. And I believe you felt the same way for her then. So where is she now? I may be young, but I'm not stupid. What I need is a business.
Okay, see, we'll talk about it later. Let's just do just one. I'll come quick, I promise. Like, just one, please now.
You that just finished drinking Abo, how will you come quick?
It's not you that made me to drink it. The last couple of times we did it, you said I don't satisfy you. Now I've taken it. Please now, just...
Well, I need to leave now. We'll see next weekend.
Okay, I'll please now.
Chibi, my uncle is on his way back home. I need to leave right now.
Okay, just...
Excuse me. We'll see next week. Calm down.
Please now.
Stop this, please. Chibi, you're embarrassing me.
I am not. You can't do this to me now.
Stop this, please.
I'm having cramps.
You're embarrassing me.
I'm not embarrassing you now. Please now, babe.
I've told you I need to get home before my uncle comes back.
No, now. Okay, I promise I won't waste time. Just the tea, please. You can't do it.
From clap, now they take the entire
No,
dance. Chibi, you
okay,
know.
we'll not clap.
Excuse me.
No.
Chibi, leave me alone. I have to get home. Excuse.
Yeah. Come. I've never been happier seeing you. Babe.
You can talk to me. Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm perfect. I'm fine. Yeah. I'm just happy seeing you.
Baby, but I've been calling you. You're not taking your call.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just angry. But I'm fine now. I'm sorry for yesterday. Babe.
No, I can say I'm sorry.
No, don't worry. Everything is fine now. I'm fine now. Now that you're here. Hey, babe, please, can we just...
Baby, see, I wanted to know if I could get some money for you.
No problem at all. I'll give you anything you want. Yes, just before you leave.
Baby, are you okay?
Babe, I am fine.
Baby, hold on, wait. Are you okay?
Okay, let's go inside, babe. I'm happy seeing you. Can't you see it? Oh yeah, let's go.
Baby.
Babe. Baby, just saved my life.
I know, right? Unlike you.
What do you mean unlike me?
I Babe, you've never stayed this long on top. Like almost an hour.
I don't understand. What are you trying to say?
Babe, I'm just saying you've never
That
stayed.
I'm a 2 minutes man.
No, baby, I would never insult you. I just meant you've never. I'm sorry. Baby. Baby, the money.
What money?
Baby, you just said you'd give me the money. Not school fee.
I don't have any money.
Baby, I need the money. If not, she'll be sent out of school. You just promised you give me. Eh?
But I'm not saying I won't give you. I just said I do not have the money.
Baby, I need it by next week. Please.
Next week is still far now.
Okay. I trust you, babe. Baby, you give me right.
I'll give you. I think you need to dress up. Just dress up. You know, I have to go to the shop. Please. Dress up now.
I've been here over an hour.
You didn't call that you were waiting? Or you think I'll just sleep, wake up and start waiting for unwanted visitors?
The last I checked, you're always at home.
Hey, Olugombale, so you now insult me, right?
I'm here to see my niece.
She's in school.
On it's past 2.
Guinea Mezi. I said she's in school, you're telling me it's past 2. If you want to wait for her, wait for her. Please excuse me.
Why don't you just get me something to wash my throat? Something I drink.
Something like drink. The last time I checked, water is the healthiest drink ever. But if you think you want something else, you can find your way around. The only thing I have here is hypo.
Hypo. Why are you even talking to me like that? Are you forgetting the father and the elder brother?
Who are you? Who do you think you are? Elder brother, my
The finest girl. Wonderful.
Uncle, you don't tell me that you're coming now.
I came since now. You
You have come and carry me from school.
I thought you were at home already. It took too long to even come back. What happened?
Yeah, I was trying to copy one note that I couldn't copy from my classmates.
From your classmates? Why didn't you copy it?
Do you know what happened?
Hey! Banime, go inside.
But I'm talking to Uncle.
Go inside, go and have your bath and take your lunch. I said, go inside.
Go.
Go and eat your food.
I'll bring my food.
Eat your own and bring my own.
Huh? Go and have your uncle is not running in me.
It's a rain. What's wrong with you? What's all this harsh lifestyle? Why are you making me feel like you're hiding something from me?
Me? Hide something from you? Kijibuloni. Who do you even think you are? You think you're important? You're nothing. We don't even know you. We don't need you. So stop coming here, Ikuku.
So, what about that your poor boyfriend? Would you take Diego? That's no money.
Emeka, leave my house. Leave
Leave
my house. When you go, you came to eat. See, babe, won't get squiggy here.
So, Uncle, how is your business going?
My dear, business has not been fine lately, but we're managing.
I guess that's the reason you've not been coming to see me.
Nem, you know I would want to be here always, but you know your mother now. She's always troublesome.
sorry. But what's happened between the both of you that she dislikes you this much?
No, she does not dislike me. How can you say your mother dislikes me? It's just that we are having small issues.
What did you do to her? Why is she angry?
Don't worry, leave that matter between me and her. Meanwhile, shebi by next year you enter SS3.
Hopefully.
What do you mean by hopefully? Have you started failing your exams?
It's not about failing the exam. It's not when somebody sees exam that the person will fail. It's school fees. It's no school fees. And my exam, they have already announced the dates. They have brought out timetable. Very soon now we'll start. I need school fees.
What do you mean by you need school fees? Why didn't your mother tell me that you don't have money?
Why else? When she's always relying on that cheap year man. She's waiting for him now to give her the money.
That animal directs her business.
Yes, so. And she even went there today. She went there today to see if she will get the money. But I'm sure that wicked, heartless man will never give her that money.
Don't worry. Yeah? I'm here for you now.
Thank you.
Hope that money is still in 120k.
Yes, 120. They say they will increase it next year.
Don't worry. Before I go now, I'll give you 150.
150?
Pay your school fees 120. Keep 30 for yourself.
Thank God. At least now I'll be independent. I will not be depending on my mommy that is already depending on one man.
Chere, you'll be independent. With the 30,000. With the balance of 30k.
Yeah.
You independent woman
Haven't
immediately.
you heard I started from 200 naira?
You even start well. You started from 30 now.
I'll be independent.
Independent woman, if you know faint here, no say
Do you
nothing.
want more food?
No,
Why you
the rice is too dry.
popping-
It's too dry. Let me...
Yeah.
You know that he's never going to help you and your daughter. All that boy wants to do in this life is rape you, eat everything you have, just drain you. That is all he has to do in your life.
What are you talking about?
Your daughter told me that you've not paid her school fees. That you're waiting for that God good for nothing, God-forsaken boy.
Emeka, I have warned you. Stay out of my relationship. Stay out.
See, if you did check, it's been 13 years already.
1,000,000 years won't change the bad things you have done.
And it will also not change you from calling me anytime your daughter, my niece, needs anything.
I have sworn with my life never to collect anything from you and never to beg you for anything. But on the contrary, I want to beg you for something, Emeka. Kindly stay away from my daughter and I. We don't need you in our lives. Please.
Well, I'm going to make a transfer to your account. Pay my niece's school fees. Use the other money, the balance, to stock up the house.
It's like you didn't hear what I said earlier. Right. Emeka, I don't need anything from you. I won't satisfy your conscience by allowing you back into our lives. Never. Nah, you will live and die with the guilt of killing her father. Leave my house, Biko.
There's things in your eye.
Leave my house.
Let me remove it. See, there's black things there.
Leave my house from Kwapogeba.
Let me go now, my car. Yeah, I'm very fine. Ruth, do you have my private line perfect?
No, I don't have it.
I need to give you the line so that if you have any emergency, you just call me fast, eh? So, go get pen and paper.
Don't worry, just call it.
Go get pen and paper. I don't need mistakes.
Uncle, is it not me that's telling you? Just call the number first.
081 84 777 518. Repeat it.
081 84 777 518. You know what you just
Repeat
called?
it again.
081 84 777 518.
That is the baby's daughter. You see your father, eh? Back then, he can cram all the car plate numbers, home address, everything, phone numbers. His brain is so sharp.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
My mom knew you were going to talk about him. So, if you can tell me.
I'll see you later. Eh?
Okay, sir.
Just call me.
Alright, bye-bye.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Baby, please answer my calls. Eh? It's Monday in a few hours. I need Ruth's fees. Please, just answer the calls.
Mommy, I'm done, oh. I need to start going to the school fees. Mommy. Mommy. Where did she go? Mommy! Mom! Supposed to be my school, so I can start going to school. I am already late.
Who is it? Hold on.
Walking through storms I cannot see, but every day I try again.
Good morning, babe.
For the little girl
What are you
who
doing here?
holds my hand.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here if not answered?
You weren't taking your calls, so I had to come.
So you left your house this early morning only because I'm not taking your calls?
Well, I thought something bad had happened to you, so I
Well,
was
clearly,
worried.
nothing happened to me. You can now leave.
Baby, I also came for Ruth's school fees. Her exams are starting today. I need to pay.
Well, I can't remember telling you I'm giving you any money today.
Babe, you told me to come see she'll be sent out of the exam hall if I don't pay today.
So what am I supposed to do? I do not have the money.
Babe, you said I should come today. Remember, we spoke about it. Oh, babe, you also told me about the contract, what, 22 million. So,
Hold on, Ifediche. So you want me to use the money I'm supposed to use in executing a contract to pay for another man's child?
What? Another what? Baby, that's my daughter.
Yes, she's your daughter, but I'm not her father.
This is not fair, Chibie. It's not fair!
Ifediche, I need you to leave now.
See.
Listen, I need to go and freshen up. I need to be at the shop. Leave. Ifediche, can you just leave?
Just listen to you. The exams.
Ifediche.
Would you listen to me? Sorry, baby, please.
Please just leave.
Please.
Can you just go?
Baby, you have to. Please, I beg you.
Mother, don't cry.
Hey.
Who was that?
Just leave.
What does the person want?
She just wanted a soft loan.
Let me guess, it's a girl.
Yes.
Have you slept with her?
What question is that?
Because the only reason a girl will come to a man's house to knock and ask for money is either you slept with her or you're making advances.
I'm not making any advances. Besides, I barely talk to her except for the regular compliments in the morning.
Are you sure? Remember I've told you that I don't?
You don't share. Come on, Mama. Come on, give it to her.
What are you doing outside?
Oh, sir. Sir, principal sent me out because of school fees.
Oh, really? You've not paid? Oh my goodness. What about your parents?
Sir, it's just my mom I have. And her business have not been going so well. That's why she hasn't paid.
Oh, really? I understand the situation of the things in the country right now. But then, just come in, I'll talk to the principal, okay? So you can take your exams at least for today.
Yes, sir, but please, can you help me with your phone? I'd like to call my uncle.
Oh, sure. Okay.
Hello, Uncle Mecca. It's me, Ruth. Yes, it's Ruth. Uncle, I'm not fine, oh. My principal sent me out of the school again today. Yes, and my exam is about to start in an hour. Everybody has already gone inside. Nobody's outside again. They're already getting ready for the exams. Yes. Oh, okay. All right, sir. I'll be waiting for you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right, you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, like I said, you can come in, okay?
Thank you, sir, for the effort, but my uncle said I should wait for him here. So, he'll be here any moment from now.
You don't have to stand under the sun waiting for your uncle, okay? Come in so you get ready for your exams while you wait for your uncle, okay?
Sir, are you sure the principal will be happy with that idea? The principal warned me strictly not to step foot inside this compound if I don't have the money.
Like I said, I have everything under control, okay? I'm going to talk to the principal. Come in.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Mother, don't cry. Your child is by your side.
What happened? Did he do this to you?
I had an accident.
You had what accident? Your daughter told me that you went to your boyfriend's place to go collect her fees. So who did this to you?
Fine, I went there. But I was fine when I came out of his place. I only fell off the keke I used.
Can you hear yourself? Can you listen to yourself? You see where you have reduced yourself to. Can you just listen to yourself? See you trying to destroy yourself because of a man God does not even care about you.
He cares about me.
In what way, please? This is the same man you spent everything you have for. You sold virtually everything you have in this life to raise him, to make him stand. This man he ate you up, he destroyed everything about you. But I just see, man, he cannot even help you pay your child's school fees. Just imagine. And this is the person you want to kill yourself for. Let him just thank his God. Let him thank his God that I don't have the address to his house. If not today, the kind of beating he will receive. I'll make sure I go there with people. Or I go myself and I'll face him man to man.
Emeka,
you will feel it.
Emeka, please stay out of my relationship. Leave my relationship alone. Biko.
I've done that enough. I am going to be fully involved in a relationship. Because you both are already stressing my niece. Yes. If she did not come here today, this is how she would have missed her exam. Okay? And you want me to stay out of your relationship? I'm in. And we are going to see to the end of this.
You're here. I didn't know you were here.
How was school?
School was fine. I wrote my exam and I did well. Thank you so much for today. For coming through and saving my education. I knew I could always count on you.
You can always call me. Like I said, always call me no matter what.
Thank you.
Please, I want to ask you.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know the address to your mother's boyfriend, that boy's house?
Oh, yes, I know his house.
You know your way to that place?
Yes, I've gone there before.
Can you take me there?
Yes, if you want me to. Do you want us to go now?
Yes.
Okay, just give me a minute. Let me
Okay.
freshen.
Very stupid. In fact, you are one of the most useless men ever existed on this earth. You are one of the reasons why women say that men has come. You.
Oh, who are you and... Ruth, is this one of the puppy your mom is rolling with? Better get him out of here before I get him arrested.
You are the one I will get arrested in a few minutes now if you don't respect yourself. What type of a man are you? A woman you said you are dating. You don't even bring anything to the table. Nothing. Just nothing. Nothing. You have wrecked this lady and you now turn her into your punching bag. Even when you cannot even help her in anything. Even things as little as helping her pay her daughter's school fees.
Did she consult me before giving birth to this thing?
Okay.
Why am I supposed to help her?
Oga, did you consult her husband before squandering the money he kept for her to use and take care of this girl? I want to know, did you consult him?
Did I beg her to help me? It was entirely her idea.
Don't go and start lying now. Don't go. You know, they have already booked a place for you in Hellfire. Don't add to your punishment now. I was there that day when you were begging her to close your shop and give me the money. You want to make investments that will bring more money for the both of you. When she disagreed and said this is the only thing that is holding her up, you started beating her. You slapped her 2 good times. I was there.
Now listen to me, Mr. Man. You see, in this time, your cup is full. Yes, your cup is full. And I want to tell you that when I'm ready for you, I will make sure you pay for every pain you caused my younger sister.
Who are you to come and threaten me in my own house? How dare you?
What did you say now?
My friend, will you get out of my
Okay,
compound?
if you talk nonsense, I will beat the hell out of you.
You will beat me.
To God who made me.
Beat me.
Hey, both of us will put on and beat you. If
you
he
don't
starts,
need to put
we'll
on.
finish.
You don't even need to put on.
Shibi?
Are you okay?
Who are they? They are nobody. They are just looking for directions.
Come, let's go inside so we scrub my back.
Yes.
Have you seen the kind of idiot your mother is dating? Have you seen it now?
Scrubbing people's back. You should have just beat him at once now. Why were you promising him beating?
Don't worry. Fight, you don't fight like that.
If you had started so that I'll put hands more and throw him small punch, break his nose.
Cool down now. I was building up the fight. He didn't come too close. If he came too close, he will now start
That's
receiving.
not how they used to do it though.
I'll call people to beat him now.
You will not even beat him yourself.
Give me water, okay?
Life has not been easy for me. Walking through storms I cannot see. But every day
Leave my house. Leave my house.
He called you, right?
Emeka,
He called you.
how dare you? Who the hell do you think you are? How dare you go to Chibie's house and threaten him?
I am your elder brother.
No. You ain't nobody, bloody nobody. That's what you are. So please leave my house.
I see. You know, the more you carry this hate in your heart, the more you punish yourself.
Which other punishment is heavier than this one you've inflicted on my daughter and I? Eh? Emeka, please leave, I beg.
Mommy.
Hey! Out of this.
See the way you are stressing yourself. Insulting yourself because of a man who doesn't regard you. A boy who has a girlfriend, another girlfriend.
Hey!
A boy who even had the effrontery to call your daughter a nobody.
Liar. You're a big liar. It's a lie. You think telling lies about him will make me leave him? Read my lips. I am not leaving my man.
She's not lying.
Hey! If I as much as hear your breath again, I will make sure it's your last. Oh yeah, enter inside. I said enter inside. Silly child.
See, I understand that you are angry with me because of Dubem. But don't let this anger stop you from seeing the reality before you. You see that boy? He's just using you.
Let him use me, Emeka. I use one. The one you used, what did you do to him? You killed him. At least he hasn't killed me yet, and that makes him better than you. So please leave my house. Leave!
life has not been easy for me. Walking through storms I cannot see. But every day
That
I
was it.
try again.
Come in.
For the little
Oh,
girl
Mimi.
who
How are you?
holds my hand.
Good afternoon.
I'm sorry for disturbing. But you said you were still discussing with Thanksgiving, so I figured you'd be stressed when you do this trip. So I was very thankful.
That's very thoughtful of you. Thank you.
Every tear that falls tonight, tomorrow.
This looks so yummy.
There is.
How did you know I was Spanish? Thank you so much.
Alright, so I'll leave you to it and continue working. I'll come back for the day later.
Sound okay?
Thank
You
you.
take care of yourself, okay?
Take care.
Bye.
I gave my love, I gave my heart. But sometimes love can make you blind. Still, hope is something I will find.
You're probably thinking about you. You even deprive yourself of sleep. All because of him. Please, I'd like you to tell me, what exactly has this man done for you that has made you fall in love so deep? That's... You believe every word that comes out of his mouth. You're always quick to defend him, even against your own blood brother.
Emeka is not my brother.
Why? What did he do? I mean, he has been coming here all these years, trying to be part of us, trying to be part of this family, but you keep pushing him away. Okay, let me tell you what happened today. I was stranded. Yes, your Chibie couldn't help me pay my school fees, so I was stranded. I had just a few hours to my exams and I was outside my school. And I called him. And told him everything. In less than 10 minutes, Uncle Emeka ran to my school and cleared my debts. He shows up for me like a father should.
Really?
Yes.
Don't be grateful for that. If not for him, your father would still be alive today, showing up for you. You're just doing all those to satisfy his conscience.
His conscience? What is this sin that he did that is unforgivable? Because last I checked, Uncle Chibie does worse to you. Yes. He's always abusing you physically and verbally. In fact, he derives joy from abusing you. He never shows up for you when you need him, but he's always here to eat from you. He's the reason you're like this today. He took all your capital. You gave him everything you own. Now you literally beg him to feed, beg him to sort your bills, and he still doesn't give you. That's wickedness. And if that kind of wickedness can be forgiven, I think Uncle Emeka should be forgiven as well.
Now listen, Chibie is the only man that has showed up for me in this life aside to your father. The only man that accepted me with my baggage, my child, you. When every other person rejected me, he stood by me and treated me with love and respect. When your father died, I was only 23 years old. Every man saw me as a used woman. Nobody cared to know the reason he died. Even the ones that came close only wanted to use me. But Chibie stood firm. He showed me so much love and respect. So please.
I like the words you're using. Stood. Showed. Not anymore, Mom. He doesn't love you anymore. Maybe at the beginning when my father died, he did respect you and loved you, yes. But he doesn't anymore. He doesn't regard you, because if he does, I would see a little remorse on his face when I saw a woman in his house calling him baby and other pet names.
Now that's a lie.
Oh, that's a lie. Can you imagine if it was Chibie that told you this? You would just believe it once. But that's a lie when I say it. Well, it's fine. I'm not Uncle Chibie, so it's okay if you don't believe me. I just hope that very soon your eyes will open and you see all these things we are trying to show you. And you realize that Uncle Emeka is not a bad person. We are trying to help you. Good night.
Did you say you saw a woman?
Hold on, I'm coming.
Chibi, who was the woman here yesterday?
What woman?
Don't play dumb with me. Who was the woman my daughter and brother saw here yesterday?
Oh, your daughter and brother. So you sent your brother to my house to harass me, and instead of you apologizing, you...
Baby, I wouldn't do such a thing. I didn't send my brother. He saw this and he felt you were the one that did it to me.
So this is what you've been telling them? That I'm not beating you and inflicting injuries on you?
Oh no, I didn't say anything. You know I rarely speak to Emeka. I wouldn't do that. Chibi, are you cheating on me? I need to know, was there any woman here with you yesterday?
There was a woman here yesterday. But I was angry with you. That's why I just brought someone to cool off. It's nothing serious.
In the silence of the night, she cries. Broken dreams behind her eyes. She gave her heart, she gave her soul, but love has taken all she owns. Mother, don't cry. The child is by your side. She carried pain nobody sees, walking through storms on wounded knees. The man she loved became her pain, yet she kept dancing in the rain. Hold on, be strong. The night won't last too long. A little girl with hopeful eyes, wiping silent tears she had.
Mommy, are you alright?
Why is life so unfair?
What happened?
You know, could you come here? Huh?
Is it that bad that whenever I'm sad, the first thing that comes to your mind is him?
The only thing that makes you sad these days is Uncle Chibi. I mean, he's the saddest.
I went to see him yesterday. I went to see him. And he confirmed that a lady was in the house. You know, I would have preferred he lied to me. But no. He looked me in the face and said yes without flinching. He even blamed me, saying he's trying to get over what I did to him.
You believe him? Listen, Mom, I know I'm young, but you see, I know when someone values someone, and Uncle Chibie doesn't value you.
Why? I've never wronged him in any way. I've never done something wrong. I have sacrificed so much just for him to be happy, because I feel that making him happy would also make me happy. If I have done something wrong to him, I mean, he should have said it to me.
Forget about that man. I think you are your problem here because you have sacrificed everything to make him happy. I thought it was supposed to be the other way around in a relationship. The man is supposed to sacrifice for the girl. Forget about this man. Forget about him. Focus on your life. Focus on not getting injured. And the only way is to leave him alone. Look, you can reach out to Uncle Emeka for help. I'm sure he will always be willing to help. I know, I mean, he's my uncle. He's your brother.
Never. Huh? Not in this life.
Why? Mom, why? You give the wrong people attention. Like, because you'd rather go to that blood-sucking monster than to your brother. Ha!
Mother, don't cry. Your child is by your side. Oh, your child is by your side. She carried.
Good afternoon.
Baby, how are you?
As you can see, I'm where you left me.
Come on, I didn't leave you now. I didn't leave you, baby.
You're admitting to having an dead woman. Tell me a better way of telling a woman that you're done with her.
Come on now, babe. I told you I was angry and that was why I did it. I mean, and it was just a one-time thing.
But wait. Explain to me. So for every misunderstanding we have, you go sleeping with another woman.
Babe,
huh?
Babe, I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. And you also need to learn how not to provoke me.
How did I provoke you? No, tell me, how did I provoke you? I've been cooking for you for years. Every single day I cook for you. What is it? She's leaving.
Alright, babe, I'm sorry. See, I apologize. I overreacted. I'm so sorry. Can I just get my woman back? I'm just sorry. Babe, come on. Let's go inside.
Stop it, I like it.
Come now, let me treat you like a queen. Come, let's go inside. Come now.
Come on.
Let me open the door. Come on. Bye.
Ruth, my love, when did you come back?
Hello, Ruth.
I'll see you later, babe.
Call me when you get home.
Alright.
Baby. Baby, I'm sorry.
You are not sorry. You are never sorry when it comes to that idiot of a man. Never. This is the same man that abuses you. This is the same man that have taken a lot from you but has given you nothing, and you still feel comfortable with him. Are you even thinking about me? I understand that you don't have self-respect. At least me. Or even your late husband, don't you ever remember him? Disappointed in you.
My baby. Ruth, see, babe, see, let me just say something to you, please.
Hey, babe.
Do you have the money now?
No, I don't have it. Come on, babe. I said I was going to get it.
That means it's not available, right?
But I said I was going to get it in a few days. Where are you going?
Home!
What do you mean home? I thought you were here to spend time with me.
I've told you we don't have any business until the money is ready. My time is expensive, Chibe.
Babe, honestly, the way you sound at times is disheartening. Come on, you're my woman. You're not just a prostitute that I'm paying for her services.
Exactly, and that is the more reason you should pay me more for my time. Because, unlike the prostitutes, they sleep with different men for money. But I decided to be sleeping with just you, so you should take good care of me.
But I've been taking care of you. I said I'll get you the money when it's ready.
And I said I will see you when the money is ready. Take care of yourself.
Mike?
Yeah?
I don't know, I was thinking, why don't you save up some money from this your job and start up something for yourself? Like, I watched something online the other day that said the most successful men are those who invest in their time. Like they grow their own business. So I was thinking, why don't you save up from this your job and start up something?
Wow, that's really nice. I'm really impressed. For someone of your age, coming up with something like this, that's really a nice idea.
My age?
Yeah.
Besides, I'm not 15, I'm 23. I'm old enough.
Of course, a lot of young girls of your age are just thinking about things they can see right now and not the future, talking about iPhones, iPads, wigs, and some kind of crop tops and the rest of them. I'm really impressed you're coming up with something reasonable, something for the future.
But understanding life doesn't have anything to do with age.
Obviously.
Yes.
Obviously. Well, I've actually been saving up to start up something. You understand? But the truth is, I really don't have any business in mind right now. So,
Okay, I don't know if you don't mind, I could suggest something.
okay, you can.
I was thinking maybe you start up something as little as food, water, daily necessities. Something that you could earn daily.
That's really great. I'm really impressed. You're really thinking outside the box, and you're smarter than I ever thought.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so let's get going with this. I have a lot. Like this scripts, they are so hectic. Been on this for the past few days, trying to get them done.
I think we'll do this one. I think I love this. Oh, no. Okay. I like this. Oh, babe, see this. This is better. This is better. Yes. Maybe this is better, right? Babe. Baby, are you alright?
I'm fine.
You know I know you too well. It's obvious something is bothering you. Tell me, what's the problem?
I'm fine, baby. I'm fine. There's nothing.
When did this one start now? Like, why? Babe, what's this? I thought we share everything, even our problems. Why are you hiding things from me? Talk to me.
Babe, I said it's nothing. I just don't want to disturb you with this problem.
Ah, good. There's an acknowledgement right now. There's a problem. Spill. What is it? Tell me. Talk to me. Tell me what's wrong.
It's my shop.
What about it?
I think I'll be losing it by next tomorrow.
I don't understand. What do you mean you think you'll be losing it by next tomorrow?
Babe, I've been having some issues lately between the owner of the shop, myself, and the original owner.
Confused, baby. As in, make it make sense. What do you mean the original? Are you not the owner of the shop?
Yes, I'm the owner, but last week someone showed up with the original document of the shop saying he's the one that owns the shop. And he asked me to vacate the shop.
I don't understand. You paid to someone and he's now saying he's the owner of the shop?
Apparently, the person will pay to lie to us.
What?
He's not the original owner because the people that are around there confirmed that they know this new person to be the owner of the shop.
Okay. But we paid. You paid to the person, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I think you should do a refund.
Yes, but the thing is, even if he makes a refund, he will not be able to pay for another shop now. Besides, we've been there for four years. If we get another shop or another place now, we're going to lose customers.
Maybe you're right. So, what do we do? What's the way forward?
The original owner is saying I should pay him 1.5 million. You know, since the other person has agreed that he's going to refund me back. But the issue here is that I have 1 million. And I'm supposed to pay him the remaining 500,000 by the end of the month. And that's where the problem is. I just need 500,000 to complete it. See, that's why I don't want to bother you. Just go with it.
I'm not fine.
Are you okay? What's wrong with you? Are you sick?
I'm not sick. It's my mom.
What about your mom? She called me a while ago and she sounded worried.
Yes, I heard when she was calling you. That's why I decided to sit here so I can block you.
Okay, smart madam. What is it?
Look, my mommy wants to ask you for money so that she can give Chibi.
I don't understand. I thought you're no longer together.
Well, they are back together. And he came here asking her for money.
You mean Chibi asked your mom for money again?
Yes.
And she called me to borrow money to give to that brute. Oh. Where is she?
She's inside. Ma, the main reason why I stopped you here is so that I'll tell you that don't give her the money. Don't give her the money. Even if she cries and begs you, don't give her the money. She doesn't want you to use it to do anything useful.
My dear Ruth, don't worry. Whether you beg me or not, I'm not giving her a dime. I don't even have such money to give to her.
Thank you.
Okay? Let me go see her and be good. Chill.
Thank you. Every time Chibi. Every time Chibi. Don't worry. See this one, it will not work. Any channel you want to get the money from, I will block it before it comes.
You see this business, it will yield profit in 2 months and I'll pay you back.
So, what kind of business is that?
My sister, it's Yamo. I want to send money to someone in Benue to buy yam for me and I sell here.
Fade. You're a terrible liar. Ifedi, so after how many years of our friendship, you sit there, look me in the face and lie to me? Ifedi, there's no business anywhere. You're only looking for money to give to that parasite that is not done wrecking you yet.
Ifedi, trust me, this has nothing to do with Chibi. It's solely about me.
Okay, so be it. I would love to get the contact of this person that sells them in Benue.
Why?
You're my friend. If you want to venture into that such business, I need to get involved too. And moreover, I heard that yam is cheaper in Benue.
It's about losing a straw. Ifedi, what? He should lose his life too. You should lose. You're out of your mind. You don't. What is wrong with you? Ifedi, what is wrong with you? When your daughter needed school fees, this man was absent. He was nowhere to be found. You even told me that he said with his mouth that he sent someone else. And yet, you want to give him your money. I'm just trying to help. Help! Me, mother of the nation, a helper of the nation, help your man. But not with my money. And even if I have such money, Ifedi, I will never give it to him. Or to you. And I don't even have such. Even though I do, I won't give him that money. Instead, I will use it to clean my butt. Yes. Enough of the insult. It's okay if you don't have
I will not help. Yes, I will not help.
Please don't insult him.
Disgusting. You're so annoying.
Where are you going?
Please.
Here. Please don't insult him. It's okay if you don't want to give him, but I won't take you insulting the love of my life. Chibi, don't worry. I'll get the money and give you. I love you so much.
You said you wanted to see me.
Yes. I need some money.
Fediche, did I hear you right?
Yes. See, it was so difficult for me to tell you. So you see how important it is to me. I need money.
How much are we talking about? How much are we talking about?
500,000.
And what do you need 500,000 for?
Emeka, it's not in your place to ask me what I want to use it for.
We are not talking about 50k here. It's 500k.
And if you don't have it, I won't come to you.
Having it is one problem, and it is another to have it to spare.
So all this your sisterly love is fake. I said it. I've always known I was right. So all I'm worth to you is spare. It's so bad.
Sorry, it's just emotional blackmail. Emotional blackmail.
Are you giving it to me? Yes or no? Yes or yes?
Trying is yes or yes. You have to say please. Please. Yes, please. Please. I'll send it in the evening.
In the evening? You can still send it now.
Okay, thank you. I need water. Very cold water. One. What also? I should go you. Hey, you have to find out. I can't get the money. Go.
Wow. What in this world would I have done without you? Come here, Mom.
Wait. You didn't even ask me how I got the money.
I got carried away by the money.
Baby. I got it from someone I've sworn never to have anything to do with.
That's your brother?
Yes. That's to show how much I love you. Baby, promise me you won't hurt me again.
I promise. And for the money, I promise I'm going to give you first week of next month. I promise you. Come
You won't let me pass. You won't let me enter my house.
I know you've given him the money.
Who?
Who else, if not you useless, that God-forsaken boyfriend of yours?
Emeka, don't insult me.
See, you disappoint me a lot. I thought that age would give you small sense, but it is not shameless. It is shameless. Just imagine, you have disappointed yourself in this life. You did not just disappoint yourself, you disappointed yourself as a woman, as a mother and everything. 5 years. 5 years with that stupid boy, what did you achieve? Nothing. You have been giving him everything, your money, your time, your body.
Yes! Yes, Emeka, let him eat it. It's mine. Let him eat it. Who else will eat it? All thanks to you for killing Dubem. Let him eat it. Sibempo. Why all the hate? How am I supposed to give it to you?
For the first time, I have to say this, I regret having you as a mother.
Young lady, what has come over you?
You've come over me. And you just proved to me once again today that you value Chibie than me, your daughter.
Don't say that. You know it's not true, babe.
It's not true. It's not true because I remember I remember when I needed my school fees so badly. I was facing embarrassment at school. Every day I was flogged, chased back home. And I begged you. I told you, let's ask for help from my Uncle Emeka, but you said no, he's a devil. That you never ask a devil for money, that you'd rather die or go on the streets and beg. The moment your lover opened his mouth and said I needed money, I was expecting you to go on the street and beg. But you went to that same devil that you couldn't go to for me?
He needed money for his shop.
And I needed money for my education! I needed money for my school, my future! How insensitive can you be? I needed my school fees! He's an adult, he's a grown man who can go about and hustle for money. I am not! I depend on you for now! And when you went to him to ask him for money, you came back injured. Yeah. Let's assume he didn't do that to you, because till now I don't believe it. He never came here to look after you. He never came here to say sorry to you. Because he doesn't love you. He never shows up when you need him. He doesn't love you as much as you do. You're just lusting after a man who wants to eat from you, take everything you own, and not show up for you in your own time of need. That is not what a relationship is all about. You know, I used to give excuses for you that it's just your desire to be with someone. I just realized that you've been foolish.
Don't you dare talk to me in that manner. I'm sorry. See, baby, I'm sorry, please.
Babe, where are you off to now?
Oh, my uncle just called.
No, come on now. No, now. I thought he said he's out of town and he'll not be coming back until next week.
Apparently, he returned earlier than expected.
No, now, babe, no, now. You assured me you were going to spend more time with me now after I've given you the money.
I'm not going to die, or am I?
Nobody's talking about dying. But it's not fair now. It's not fair. I think it's high time you introduce me to this your uncle. So you stop this your hide and seek game.
Introduce you as what?
Introduce me as your husband to be now.
Chibe, I don't have time for this nonsense. Please, I'll see you next weekend.
How are you?
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
What's the
Fine.
problem? You don't look fine. What's the problem?
Nothing.
Really? Even in class, you were looking so cold that you couldn't even answer the most simplest question, unlike you.
It's nothing, sir. It's just some issues at home. Minor issues at home.
Minor issues? Do you mind sharing?
No, thank you, sir.
Okay, if you say so. But please, whatever it is, don't let it affect your academics, okay?
Thank you, sir.
You No way. My friend, this is beautiful.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much.
Finally, he has done the right thing.
You can say that again. You know, I was almost losing hope. I never knew to come to this. You know.
Patience, they say, is truly a virtue.
You're very right. But you know, not for everyone. There's a thin line between patience and stupidity.
Well, one thing I know is my ring is coming soon.
Of course. Of course it will.
I know.
It will come very soon, but definitely not from Chibi.
Why did you say that?
You can never marry that guy. He will be the doom of you.
Why do you hate him so much?
Ifediche, anyone who loves you will hate Chibi.
And it doesn't bother you all that I love him?
No. No, what bothers us is your sanity. You're losing it. You're losing your sanity. Oh. Good afternoon, Tiffy. Good afternoon, my dad. Good afternoon. Why is she like that? What happened?
We had an argument and I hit her.
You did what? You hit her?
I don't understand. Like, I'm not supposed to hit my child when she does something wrong.
When she does something wrong? Let me guess. Ifediche, I'm very sure that it is because of that thing, that guy. Ifediche, you see why I said you're losing it? You're losing your mind. You're not okay mentally. You're hitting your own child because of a man. Ah! No, this is not ordinary. Ifediche, you... No, this is not you. Good try.
Come and have your lunch, okay? What do you mean you're not hungry? You didn't eat anything for leaving this morning, so come and eat something.
Thank you.
Alright, I'm sorry. My love, I'm so sorry. I know I shouldn't have laid my hands on you. I shouldn't have let my anger take the better part of me. I'm sorry, okay? Come and eat something. See, Chibi is...
I don't want to talk about him, please.
What?
Yes. He's your boyfriend and not my father. Since I can't make you leave him, I should just mind my business instead of being paid for someone else's business. So please, I don't want to see him again. I don't want to talk about him. Keep your business with him to yourself. I don't care anymore.
Next one, Mimi, you need to go. It's late. I need to walk you home.
Wait, are you sending me away?
No, I'm not. But it's midnight already.
I don't want to go. Mike, I want to stay here with you.
Mimi.
I love you. I love you, Mike. It's obvious that I know I have feelings for you. And I know you like me too. You're never going to do anything about it, so fine, I've said it. I love you, Mike.
But Mimi, you're just...
23? I know you're 10 years older than me, but that doesn't change how I feel about you. And besides, it's obvious you like me too. You're just controlling yourself.
Mimi, the fact is, I don't just want to start what I can't be able to finish.
But Mike, how would you know that you can't finish something when you haven't even started?
Baby, it's not dismissal time yet. Isn't he out of school again? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Not again. I've been searching for a job for almost 3 months now and nothing yet.
Let's call Uncle Emeka. This is the right time to call him.
Never. We are not calling that man.
What do you mean by we're not calling that man? Why are we not calling that man? I mean, what makes you so terrified of calling him or talking to him?
I said, we are not calling that man. Let's come with me. Let's go to Chibi.
God forbid. Me! I'm not going there. Oh. Don't worry about the school fees. If it's from Mr. Chibi again, I don't want to go to school again.
Ruth, listen to me, please. I know you said that you don't want to have anything to do with that man.
Thank God you remember.
Yes, I know. But at this point, my love, you need to have a rethink. It's your school fees we're talking about here. Yes. So you have to come with me to Chibi's house because when he sees you, he will understand the urgency. Chibi is not really a bad person, you know. Yes. Baby, please, just do this for mommy. Please. Biko.
Ruth. So you're following your mom up and down to my place. I hope I'm safe.
I've been calling you. You're not taking your calls.
That's because I was busy. Yeah? I had some goods to clear the shop.
See, she was sent out of school for the same school fees.
Wow. That's bad though.
Yes, so really bad. That's why I came to you for help. Just help me with some money, please.
Felice, you started though.
Baby, I need this money now. Biko. Baby, see, my daughter is here. I need this money now. Biko.
Nah, but the money is the problem now.
Babe, I know you have this money. Please, you can't tell me the money is the problem. You have it. That's why I came here. Babe, please, my daughter is here. Don't do me like this.
Felice, I'm not a rich man now. You already know. Yes, I have the money, but every money I have is designed for something else now. Even before it comes in, you know now.
Wait. So what you're trying to tell me is that my daughter's school is not important? Leave me. My daughter is here. You understand? Hey.
I didn't say that.
Chimo. Leave me. My daughter is looking. Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Lend me. Borrow me. I'll pay back.
Felice, you and I know you've not earned a penny for years now. How will you pay back?
Here. My daughter is looking. Fine. The 500,000 I gave you 4 months ago, give me back. I want to use it now.
It's true. Give us.
You didn't tell me it was a loan.
Babe, you said you were going to give me back the following month, but you never did.
Yes, because we didn't agree it was credit.
Chibi, please give me this money. I need it now. See, my daughter is out of school. Don't do this to me. She's here. Please.
Okay, you don't have to cry, okay? So, hey, see, let's go talk ties now. Let's go upstairs. We'll talk about it.
Don't talk about it or you're giving me the money.
Let's go upstairs first now.
Hey,
Keep you wait now.
okay, let's go. Baby, just sit down. Let me get them.
Yeah, don't worry, I'm fine where I am.
Wait, let me give her cartoon. Yeah, take what cartoon?
If he touches me,
Hey,
Yeah, watch cartoon for yourself. Enjoy when you're ready. What is it?
baby, what's going on? What's wrong? What's wrong?
What do you mean? Can't you see? Isn't it obvious that I've missed you? Come on.
Baby, not now.
What was the last time you gave it to me like the way you used to? That made me go used to you, Mama.
Baby, not now. My daughter is downstairs.
But that's the beauty of it all. Yes. Do you know how long I've imagined having you and then she's just over listening?
What do you mean?
Babe, listen, it's so cool. I saw you in the movie. You enjoy it.
Are you trying to say I should make love to you here while my daughter is downstairs?
Babe, it's for the money.
Are you also saying I won't get the money if I don't make love to you?
Babe, come on now, stop being a child. We've been doing it all the time now. At least now it's going to be easier for you because you know you're doing it for your daughter. Wait, just wait. Just a quickie. And the money is yours. Come on now. Come on, it's just a quickie. Okay. It's there, you have it. I promise you. 100. Just. Come on. Come on. I want you to scream out. Come on.
Life has not been easy for me, walking through storms I cannot see, but every day I try again for the little girl who holds my hand. Oh, tear that
now.
Who are you?
I don't understand. Come on now, babe. How fun now?
Ha, babe, do you know him?
No, I've never seen him before.
What is going on here? Am I going crazy or
Young
something?
man, my wife says she doesn't know you.
John, his wife. Okay, this is my babe that I've invested.
Who are you?
Please stop that.
I think you're mistaking me for someone else. I don't know you.
What just happened? So it's you. It's really you. It's really you. You know, I've been sitting here hoping that it was actually a mistake and that was not you. So it's really you. Who are you?
My name is Susan, not Jane, and I am married.
So why did you pretend to be a single girl that is in love with me? Why?
My husband cheated on me, so I wanted him to feel the pains I felt.
Oh. You used me. What?
Look, I came here to tell you that whatever it is you had with my wife, it's over. If I ever see your call or you around, I will make sure I get you locked up. And trust me, your entire family will not know your whereabouts. Be warned.
Leave my house this minute. Before I do something I will regret.
Babe, see, I'm sorry. See, I know I've been a bad boy. Babe, see, I've actually been a bad boy lately, right? But come on, I've changed. I'm a changed person. See, I promise I'm going to be a better person for you and for our daughter.
May thunder fire that your mouth used to refer to my daughter as yours. Heartless bastard, monster. Why have I been so blind to even notice this devilish part of yours that everybody saw and warned me about, but because I was so in love, I didn't notice it?
I said I'm sorry.
Sorry for what exactly? Tell me, sorry for what exactly? Hitting me? Eating my money? And the most painful part was when you said I should mourn so that my daughter can hear it. Now tell me, what exactly are you sorry for?
I'm sorry for everything. I'm just sorry for everything, babe.
Let the heavens fall. I will never forgive you, not in this life and not in the next. Even if God comes in and said I should forgive you, I won't. Chibie, leave my house.
To where? To where? Where do you want me to go to? This is where I belong. You are mine. It's you and I. You're mine, baby. Come on. I am not yours.
Leave my house this minute. Leave my house. Chibie, leave my house.
Do you know what I said?
mine. You're my property.
Leave my mother. Or else I'll stab you with this thing. Don't take me for a joke. Oh. Yes, I know it's a bottle. Am I blind? Father! God forbid you ever be my father. I can never have someone like you around me. I don't even know why my mother chose you.
Can you just shut up?
I will stab you if you shout at my mother one more time. Oh.
So this is what you've turned her into? She's now raising the bottle at me.
Oh.
On me.
You think I'm joking, eh? Because you're
no.
taller than me, eh? You think I'm sure you're happy now. You're finally happy that you and your lover have succeeded in blinding the innocent girl. Ifeanyi, let me ask you a question. What was her crime? Her only crime was being a child.
I'm sorry.
You are sorry. You're sorry. I don't believe you, Ifeanyi. I don't believe it because whenever it comes to that bastard, you are never sorry. Ifeanyi, you defend him even when you knew he meant no good to you and Ruth. Ifeanyi, what has this guy done to you that made you forget? You give up on everybody, even yourself and your child. Ifeanyi, why?
She was helping me do that when it happened.
If it wasn't for you, that human, that thing would not be here. He came here because of you. And now my granddaughter has to pay for it by losing her sight. I really hope that you're able to live with your conscience, because every morning you wake up, you will remember how much of a terrible parent you are. You know what? I should give you something. Ifeanyi. This is your award of the worst one ever. Your conscience blame me, Ifeanyi. Your conscience blame me. Don't touch me. She's resting now, so I need to take my leave. It's been a while into the office.
Ify, thank you so much. You've always been nice. May God bless you.
Thank you so much also for showing up. And you know, Ruth is also my daughter. Okay? I'll come tomorrow to check on her. But for now, please, take care of her the best way you can. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright.
How is she?
Well, apart from being blind, she's okay. So, why didn't you come visiting at the hospital?
Nick, I can't stand her. I can't face her. Knowing fully well I caused it. It's my fault.
Come sit. Just come. No. I want to tell you that it is not completely your fault. Yes. Did you hit her the bottle? Did you hit the bottle in her eyes? Did you push her down?
But it was because of me he came here. I wasn't leading him on and tolerating him for all these years. My baby would still have her both eyes now.
You know, we all make mistakes. And it is said that mistake is part of learning. It's quite unfortunate that you learned the hard way. Just calm down. Your daughter is still a small girl. I believe she will come back. Okay? She will forgive you. She will forget about all this with time.
Emeka, thank you. Thank you for everything you've been doing for us. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I would want to go out now and get us something to eat.
I'm not hungry.
I didn't ask you if you were hungry. Meanwhile, Nne, please, you have to use the bathroom. You stink. Missy, Jessaro. Oh. Use the bathroom, sir. Madam,
Baby, I know no amount of apology can undo what has already happened because of my carelessness. I failed to protect you as a mother. I failed as a mother. I failed to protect you from that monster.
Mommy, don't say such a thing about that saint. He's not a monster. I mean, someone who abuses people. He's not a monster. He's a saint. Please, stop laying false accusations on him. He's a good person. And let me tell you, he loves you more than anybody in the world, including me.
My love, you have every right to be upset with me for as long as you can. Even if it takes forever. I will never ever hold it against you. But baby, see, it's just you and I. We can't continue living like this in this house. Please, baby, I promise to be there for you, to take care of you moving forward. I promise to protect you with my life.
Don't waste your strength. I already have enough protection. Yours won't add to it. You won't add anything because you've had years to protect me. I have Uncle Emeka and Auntie Ify now, and that's enough for me. So please, leave me alone.
Please, please, just one chance.
I want to sleep. My eyes are aching me, so.
I know, but please just give me this last chance to make it right by us, please.
Like I said, I want to sleep. My eyes are aching me, and I need rest.
Baby, please, I beg you.
Leave me alone! I said leave me alone. Didn't I beg you? I begged you. I told you to leave him, but no. So leave me alone. Go meet your saint.
Michael, what are you doing here?
I should be asking you, where have you been? You left like... Oh my goodness.
No, Dubem's death. I couldn't just... No, after Dubem's death, I just left Owerri. Owerri had nothing for me.
This is serious. You didn't even let it, not even me. My parents, everyone has been looking for you.
Dubem's death was so hard on me. I couldn't think straight. All I was thinking was just to leave and do something meaningful with my life. So, why are you looking for me and how did you find me?
I actually came in search of one of my favorite students. She hasn't been in school for over a month now, and then I went through her records. I discovered this is her address. Do you know it?
What's her name?
Ruth. You know her?
That's my daughter.
You mean Ruth is your daughter?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What a small world. Dubem didn't die in a plane crash.
Yes. That's a lie. He died.
No.
We buried him.
It was faked while he was married to a white woman.
Michael, that's enough. I won't have you disrespect Dubem's memory this way.
Well, there was a situation in Canada and we were reached out by the Nigerian embassy where a woman charged him of assault. So?
You see, you're lying. You're lying because Dubem would never hit a woman.
He said so. He didn't hit her. The woman only wanted to get rid of him so she could take over the children. That's what happened.
Michael, this is a joke, right? Because I can't... It's hard for me. It's a joke, right?
No, it's not. Dubem lives in Sydney with his family right now.
Dubem is still alive. And he couldn't come for me?
The last time he came back, he came looking for you. We searched everywhere. We couldn't find you, and ever since then, he's been on my neck to make sure I find his daughter.
His daughter? So Dubem abandoned me and his child for a white woman? Is Emeka aware of this?
Emeka, your brother? Yes, he found out about 10 years ago.
Emeka is aware?
Yes, obviously he is.
And he didn't tell me. Why?
My dear, that would have broken you completely. When I heard about Dubem and his foreign wife, I was broken as well. But I decided not to tell you because I saw you struggle. I saw you do everything possible to raise his child. So I decided not to tell you because that would have killed you.
I blamed you every day for his death. felt it was your fault because you are the one who sold the idea of going abroad to him.
Well, I did that with a plain heart. I would say I did that because he is more advanced than me. I did it believing that he will come back one day, take care of you and his child. I also thought he would come and maybe establish me.
So, you would rather be the bad person?
I'd rather be the bad person than to watch you in pain.
Mom, I'm so sorry. I never knew all this.
It's not your fault. It's never your fault.
I disrespected you so much. Kept you away from my daughter. I painted you black before her. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
The Ruth is a smart girl. I'm happy all this is happening now. When I spoke to his brother, he told me that Dubem has accepted to take Ruth abroad and take care of her surgery.
No. I do not want anything from that man.
Would you rather be angry and watch your daughter go all the days of her life blind?
Emeka, that man broke me. He broke me into pieces.
We are all broken. He did not just hurt you. We all feel the same. I would just advise that you allow him to take care of Ruth's surgery and you can still continue being in your mood. I'm not going to beg you to forgive him.
So, my father is alive?
Yes.
He abandoned me. He abandoned us. Great. What are you trying to do? Don't cry for him. He's not worth your tears. Okay? If he thinks that we're not worth his presence, then I personally think he's not worth my tears. I won't cry for him. I don't even have eyes to cry. So. Look, he's not my father. I already have a father, Uncle Emeka. Yeah, so.
You know, I treated him badly. Because I thought he pushed Dubem to his death. Not knowing he was protecting me all these years.
Look, if there's one thing I've known, it's that Uncle Emeka is a good man who knows us so much. And I hope now that you're seeing everything clearly, you're going to let him in our lives as much as he wants.
Yes. Yes, baby, I'm letting him in our lives. And I'm so sorry. So sorry for being a terrible mother and sister to both of you.
It's okay. It's okay. He told me that I'll be going to another country to perform surgery on my eyes so I can see again.
Yes. And your father is willing to sponsor everything.
But yeah, I want to see. I'd love to, but not if you're not going with me.
Oh, my baby. I would love to, but I'm sorry. I don't want to go. I don't want to travel. I don't want to see the baby, not now yet. Maybe in the future. But for now, I just want to heal from all this pain that seems unending. See, Uncle Emeka will go with you. They are best of friends and I'm sure they have scores to settle.
What about you? You don't want to settle anything with him?
My love, the only score I want to settle is with myself. Once you come back whole, then I am healed.
I'm going to help you. I'll be with you. Always. I mean, as long as I can see.
I know, my baby. I love you.
Love you too.
Ouch. Sorry, baby.
Yeah.
Sorry. It will soon be over, okay?
I want to be like you. I want to see you in that life.
Okay, if it's to be like me and see, fine. But if it's Chibi away,
to be like, no.
Everything will be fine.
So if your brother is this rich, why are you here?
Well, the school where I teach is actually mine. Yeah. I established it a few years ago, and while I was still abroad. And there was this accident that happened last year that claimed the life of 2 students. They died mysteriously. So I decided to know what exactly happened. So I disguised and applied to be a teacher in the school, since nobody knows the real owner of the school yet. So that's why I'm here.
Wow. I'm still surprised, I'm still shocked. And I was here giving you business tips, not knowing you're already a successful man. God, I feel so embarrassed.
You shouldn't be, okay? On the contrary, I've developed feelings for you for the last month, and I just hope this revelation doesn't affect our relationship.
Well, I love you when you have nothing. So why would I have issue with you being a wealthy man? Except you will no longer find me worthy of you.
Well, on the contrary, you are the perfect one for me. I love you. You are the dream of every man. Okay? So I'm not going to let you go. Come in, baby.
Life has not been easy for me. Walking through storms I cannot see. But every day I try again. For the little girl who holds my hand. Oh, the road is long, but I will stay strong through every tear that falls tonight. Tomorrow will bring the light. I gave my love, I gave my heart, believing this was a brand new start. But sometimes love can make you blind. Still hope is something I will find. Oh, the road is long, but I will stay.
Am I dreaming? No, Alright. You can see.
Yes.
What's this?
Two.
Wow!
I could actually see two before I left.
I
Just
know,
one
the
eye.
eye. Wait. Hey, but what's today? Today, you're not supposed to come back to
Well, Uncle Mecca said she's surprised.
Hey, don't make me wonder more. You're welcome. Hey, this is in our bag.
It's plenty since we got to
Hey, thank you so much. In fact, you're the best thing, the best gift God gave my daughter and I. How do I say thank you?
See, she can see me.
You're fresh, oh. There you go, you're my
God wanted to kill me. He just removed his sweater. No. Eh? Oh, should I prove it to her?
Okay.
Should we go to the car? Two now.
Hey, Mamo. Welcome. You saw the baby?
Yes.
Okay.
And you didn't get something. He transferred some money from me. He said I should give you in case you want to take over. You can say you don't want a lot of money.
How much?
Like close to 50 million.
50 million.
It's not
close.
50 million.
Close.
He transferred it to you?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
In case you want to reject it now. Maybe you reject it.
Possible.
You rejected everything about him. Like I could prove it.
I will not reject this. I'm training you.
No, I can help to train.
Hey! I'm so happy to see you. You're not helping.
Tell her all your experience.
Well, I have a lot of this for you. That piece was so fun, even though it was very cool. I couldn't even feel my hands again. But Uncle Deng said that apart from the 50 million that he gave him to give you, you can actually call him anytime you need him. If you don't want to call him direct, he understands. He's very sorry for abandoning us. You can just tell Uncle Mecca here to reach him.
He must be very hungry.
He's saying that you can always reach him. That he doesn't want you and me to lack, especially now that he has found us.
In case you don't want, I can be collecting for you. Me, I'll be collecting them. What percentage?
You transfer the money to me, so I'll take care of my daughter.
People
would have told me that you're coming back. Now that I've cooked for you. Hey, I'm going to cook.
So, meanwhile, he's not Uncle Dubem, he's your father. So when you want to talk about him, say, Dad said.
My daughter,
Dad said.
No worry about that one. Just go inside.
I want to hear that he said.
Don't worry, I don't mean no. That you transfer the money.
One minute. You can go, call the go later.
Remember, 2,000,000.
Give me money.
The money now, 50 million.
No, you're angry now when you're okay.
I'm angry. I didn't be going to be angry. No. Angry. I can never be angry. Angry charm.
No, angry chago.
Angry charm.
Be a bit angry, be a bit more.
No, I can never be angry.
No, let me go. Maybe I'm angry.
Where are you going to? Let's go inside. No, don't.
I'm bitter now.
No, don't be bitter. Come inside. Get in.
Let me go inside, Joe.
Okay.
I'm going and kenke. 10% tonight. 90-10. No, save you the call phone number. 90%.
Everything. I can't do this anymore. I could have been so wicked. Before I go from here, I've lost my house, I've lost everything I have, my business.
Alpha, get away now. Yes, sir. I'm sorry, carry back. Where they head to?
Wait.
anything. Well, you know, sir, see, I don't get plenty time, because as you say, as I see that you are running away. See, hold on, my guy. Now my money. Now my money. I'm going to trade. That's all. Give my money. We'll leave you. We'll go our own.
Good time for.
Wait. Now this is feedback my money.
Bring the money now.
This is feedback for my money. This is what be this one. Okay, come on this cab first. If na that, I don't go carry a property. Carry this one go pay. I beg. Come on. Come on, that's your son. See your head. I don't want to leave this man come on for here. But you don't get money. My boy no get money. Maybe you try go home me next time or No worry.
I beg now. I go.